Hi everyone. We're going to evaluate the integral of cosecant x dx. And when you have something like that that's pretty singular like this, what we want to do is break it down. We can't really break it down, so we really want to add to it. And when you're adding to it to do your integrals, you're doing it with the understanding that you've done a lot of these before, and so you can kind of recognize things. So basically, here's a little trick you can do with this. You can write this as cosecant x and write it as cosecant, multiply the numerator and the denominator by cosecant x minus cotan x. We did another one like this earlier. And if you do this, the reason if you're having problems with this is because you need to do more of these kind. So by doing this, and let's put the dx here, by doing this, you can let u equal cosecant x minus cotan x. That's what we multiplied both the numerator and the denominator by. Therefore, your derivative of u is going to be, for this one, and we can see it here, for cosecant, it's going to be this. So write that down, negative cosecant x times cotan x. And then we look at cosecant squared of x, and that the derivative, I'm not cosecant squared, but cotan of x is negative secant squared x. So two negatives can make a positive. So that's going to be cosecant squared of x. Then we have our dx. Now, looking at that, we have our u set up. But what I want to do is go ahead and distribute this right here. So that's going to give you cosecant squared minus cosecant x times cotan x divided by cosecant x minus cotan x dx. Now let's look and see what we have. We have this piece here is your du. I just switched this around. So basically, your denominator is going to be your u. So when you fill this in, all you're going to do is write this as the integral, as you do substitution, equals the integral of du divided by u. So when you integrate that, you're just going to get ln of u. Remember, our u was cosecant x minus cotan of x. So let's substitute, and you're going to get ln, so put the plus c, sorry about that, the absolute value of cosecant x minus cotan of x plus c. So that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.